omena, the main material that we are going to use. Then we have the grilled popcorn. Then we have the tomatoes. We have the onions, ginger and garlic. Then we are going to use some oregano cubes. We have a little milk, lemon. We have the dhania. We have the chili. Then we have what we call vinegar. We're going to start by picking some unwanted material from the omena, then transferring to another plate so that we can have a clean and good result. We find a lot of material which can make your omena not be tasty, and maybe to add a lot of contour. You can warm your water to 90 degrees or 80 degrees percent. Then you pour your omena inside. All. After that, you can add what you call vinegar or lemon. A lemon is the best which remove the odor smell. But now we are going to use the vinegar. You add little. Then you start to make the vinegar to interfere with the omenas. As you can see, we are going to confirm or to say about some foam at the top of omena. Then we are going to remove it from the gas and put it aside. And after that, we are going to make our first stew, which we are going to start with onion. Then you put a little cooking oil. And now, as you can see, our onions have already started turning into gold brown. And now, as you can see, our onion have started it is already in gold brown. We are going to put some tomato. We are going to put our ginger and garlic. Then you have to make sure that gas or fire is not that too much to avoid burning the mix. As the mixture cooking gets well, you can add a little water. This to make the onion and the tomato get cooked well, so that we can have a thin sauce. After that, we are going now next to our omena, which have already taken like 3 to 4 minutes. And now we are going to do what we call sieving and all, picking any unwanted material. And now, as I can smell my omena, I'm not feeling any smell because you have already put the vinegar. And I can also add a little lemon, but now I don't feel like because I have no smell. We are going to transfer our omena to another sufuria. Now you can see our omena is creamy. You look at the remaining water, is so dirty. can clean it twice using plain water. You can see now they are looking better and smart. I have poured out the dirty water. Now I'm going to use some other clean water so that I can rinse my omena. All this process to make your omena sweet and clean so that you can have a good taste and healthy food. It's better to use everything which is clean. Now again I'm going to sieve them. Transferring them to another plate. And now I think my omena is almost ready to get fried. After that, we can go back a little bit to my sauce. Wow! I wanted to get it complete cooked. So that after drying the omena, we come back to mix with our soup. Add a little cooking oil and then pour the omena into the we are going to stir them until they change to golden brown, which like to show that our omena is ready. You can put little beef cube so that it may get cooked or dry up with a good taste. And then remember that we have our sauce which is getting cooked to this side. We are going to add what we call green capsicum. This green capsicum, it helps by adding flavor in food, which make it sweet. And still add some adania, which gives a good smell. Hello guys, don't forget to put salt, same as with the sauce. And remember to put a little salt in your sauce so that it may not exceed. Add little sauce to the other side. You can either transfer the omena together, so just here with the sauce. Now as you can see, our omena is getting already is cooking yummy. It is so sweet. I have already tasted. We are going now to transfer little to one plate. Now we are going to transfer our omena. I wish you had ugali. You can eat 2 kg and now it's ready. Now you can use it to eat ugali. It look yummy. You can add a little onion and some danias to keep flavor. so that the smell will maintain until now we finish the other wet part. And now we are going to, remember at the start we had the milk, now we are going to pour inside to make it a wet. Now this is the kind that we call it a wet fry. You can either boil milk aside or you can pour that just directly to the omena. Then you can start mixing and wait like 3 to 4 minutes so that the milk will get well warm and boiled inside the omena as the omena get its taste. And now we can transfer omena to the other plate. What? This now is the sweetest. You can use eating with ugali. What? Seems to be so yummy. Add a little dania and some onion. The other dry now is here, and you can watch and see the difference. Wow! See now, they look so yummy. They look so sweet. And now, if you follow the process, you can enjoy it at your home. You can enjoy when you have visitors. And sorry to say this, your boyfriend, girlfriend, or either relative. Welcome to my YouTube. You learn more every day. Thank you.